right, this is what I'm going to call block number 9. It's actually the center block for FatCat Patterns Be Happy block of the month. This is our skept, or beehive, and we're going to build it from the bottom up. Overlap just a little. Very simple block. Aren't you glad? And guess what? This block doesn't have any bees. Give yourself a little bit of break from all those bees. It's going to be bigger than my paper. So satisfying. I'll be back when we're ironing that to the fabric. Alright, big skep block. Onto the 14.5-inch blocks. You want enough room all the way around for your seam allowance, not to encroach on your stitching. Leave your iron on long enough to actually melt your glue. There we go. Hello again. These are the corner blocks in the bee border for the FatCat Patterns Be Happy block of the month. You're going to need 4 of these in total. 1 for each little corner. They're going to fit. No, I'm going to have to, let's finagle this. That should fit. You build them from the bottom up, and you don't have to have alternating fabrics, but that's how I did mine. You could use the same fabric and just, get the beehive effect with your stitching. I like colors though. And I've been very happy with these fabrics that I picked for mine. This is from Connecting Threads, the faux linen. I'm real happy with it. Oh, don't do it upside down. I think I mentioned 4 of these in total. No bees. The bees come next. You're finally going to get to use up all those bees you made. I think you really need the bees, or you need to put the door on the beehives, because right now they just look like 4 little piles of poo. Let's get our doors on. Now they don't look so pooish. Yeah, they needed those doors on there, definitely. All right, back with fabric. All right, let's place the little corner skeps onto their base block. Once again, I'm using a directional print. I want to make sure that my print is facing the right direction. As best I can. Any mistakes are creative license. That way they're not mistakes. Let's see if I can move this over a little bit more for you. Corner blocks ready to be stitched. And again, I try to keep everything organized until the end. It doesn't always work. I'll be back.